What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Safemoon. And actually today we're up 8% with Safemoon, so we're doing good for today. But yeah, we have a lot of things that we need to talk about with Safemoon. And the first thing is how much it's trending right now. Actually, we're trending a lot on Google, so let's go over to Google Trends right now. And that's what I check for all of my cryptos. I always go to Google Trends and make sure that it's trending inside the search algorithm. So that's definitely a good place to start when you're searching your cryptos. So yeah, let's look up Safemoon here. And another thing with Safemoon is it's relatively new. I believe it was started back in March of this year. So that's one thing to keep in mind here. It's been like the #1 search topic on Google for like the past few days. So let's go over here and look at the last 7 days for Google Trends. And as you can see, Safemoon is actually pretty high inside the search algorithm. And let's do for the past day here. So yeah, for the past day we've been fluctuating here, and let's go for the past 4 hours. And yeah, it's really doing the same amount that Doge was doing right up before Doge Day 420. So this is definitely one of those community based cryptos here. But yeah, this is a lot of growth, and we have the most in the last 24. Or no, this is for the last 1 hour. Alaska, Hawaii, California, they're the top 3 right now investing inside of Safemoon. But let's get on to what Safemoon is more about. So let's go over here to CoinGecko. As I stated right over here, we can see that Safemoon was started inside of March 8th. That was March 8th of this year. So that's a lot of growth since March 8th. As we can see, we are up 5,400% since it started on March 8th. And that is a lot of growth inside of 1 month. So it wasn't even a full month, honestly. But yeah, we're still growing with Safemoon. A lot of people are starting to talk about it here. And let's go over here to the Google Trends. As you can see, we are trending. Everything is Safemoon right now. Even when you type inside of crypto, you get all Safemoon. You get all Safemoon results if you type in cryptocurrency. So let's go over there and type in this, and you have over here. Wait, this is the wrong one. Let's go over to YouTube search. So cryptocurrency for YouTube search, you will get Safemoon. So yeah, this is like one of the most searched for things out here right now. So we're definitely going to go over this right now. So let's go over this article here. It says Safemoon crypto 11 things to know as Safemoon price rockets 100% higher. So it says the first thing you should know is that we just now talked about this. They started March 8th. And then the second thing is at the time of the writing, Safemoon was at 0.000000578, which represents 108% over the last 24 hours. That's a lot of gains over 24 hours. But one thing that is unknown with Safemoon here is the market cap and the circulating supply right now, because it just started. So they really have to gather all of that information up here. But we do know the 24-hour trading volume was $84 million total traded within the last 24 hours. So that's a lot of growth inside the last 24 hours for Safemoon here. But yeah, Safemoon is definitely doing really good right now. It's actually trending way more than Dogecoin right now. So let's go over here and look at Dogecoin for the last hour. Dogecoin is doing way lower than Safemoon over here. But yeah, let's go over here and look at the web search. For the web search, Dogecoin is doing actually way better than the YouTube search, and that is usually translates over into like different ones like Safemoon. They're always going to do better on the web search because more people will search on Google than YouTube. But it is one thing to keep in mind when you're investing in these cryptos here. But yeah, let's continue to read these things that we should definitely know about Safemoon before we invest in it. This article was released yesterday on it, and they definitely did some really good due diligence here. So additionally, trading volume of $48.6 million also represents a 100% increase, and that is a really large increase from where they were at previously, and we started so early. And actually, this was not updated recently, but as you can see, they were at 48.6 million here inside this article, which was a day ago, and this was updated recently. As you can see, it actually went up during the video. It went up by 0.000001, I should say. But yeah, we definitely went up a lot, and the 24-hour trading volume is $84 million right now. So as we look back here, it was $48.6 million. So that's a really large increase within not even 24 hours. So this is a lot of growth right now. So Safemoon is definitely something everyone wants to get in on. I'm trying to get in on it right now, but first I have to get my money out of Doge, and I'm waiting until I'm positive on Doge so I can move it somewhere else. I really don't like selling stuff in the negative, so I'm probably going to hold Doge until it goes up. But yeah, Safemoon is definitely something that you should definitely invest in. Let's continue to read this. Importantly, Safemoon says it is the centralized finance startup that wants to address common issues found in other cryptocurrencies. This occurs price volatility and a tendency of some crypto investors to not hold for the long term. To address this, Safemoon penalizes sellers with a 10% transaction fee. Half of this fee redistributes to the rest of the token holders. So that's something big that we should look at. So they're really trying to get people to hold Safemoon for the long haul here. So that's what Safemoon is really being looked at right now, is really being looked at as a long-term crypto. And that's a really hefty transaction fee, 10%. Usually, I think Dogecoin is like 90 cents per transaction fee, but 10% of the whole transaction, that is a lot for a transaction fee. But yeah, let's continue to read here. John Carini identifies himself as the Safemoon CEO on Twitter, where he posts under CPT Hodl. Let's actually go look at his Twitter and see what kind of community he has there. 68.8k followers here on Twitter. Says he is the CEO of Safemoon. So yeah, let's continue to read this. I don't know much about him, but yeah, let's continue to see. I see he only types in all caps here though. But yeah, let's continue to look at this article here. So this occurs price volatility and a tendency of some crypto investors to not hold for long term. So yeah, we definitely will be holding this 10% transaction fee. I don't think I will be investing in a 10% transaction fee, but holding for the long term, as you can see, 5,400% inside of 30 days. That is a lot of growth. So I guess 10% is nothing when you already went up 5,400%. But that is a huge transaction fee there. But yeah, Safemoon has been very active on Twitter. As you can see, that CEO is really active on Twitter here. That is in the last 3 hours. He already tweeted like 10 times here, and he's already tweeted like 20 times today. So that is definitely different to see from an actual CEO of a crypto, for him to actually be posting that often. So you can definitely see he has a strong community behind him. So all of these tweets are really getting engagement. So that's really big. And Safemoon is definitely doing really big things inside of the social media space right now. And as we all know, social media actually drives crypto prices up higher. And that's actually a really big thing going on nowadays. So let's definitely continue to look at this. Safemoon has been very active on Twitter. Yes, we know this. There it announced that it will soon make its token available on 2 new exchanges. And these 2 new exchanges will be Whitebit and bitmart, and as well as PancakeSwap. So yes, you can get those on those. But yeah, I don't know much about PancakeSwap, but I have heard about bitmart, and I might consider using that. And I do use Binance, but they said you can't really do it instantly through Binance US. Binance US will take about 10 days to transfer your money, but I'll probably be doing something else so then I can transfer it faster. But yeah, that's just a little tip on that. They also say investors should also note that Safemoon is planning to launch its own Safemoon exchange. It says it has raised $700,000 of the $1 million it needs to do so. So they only need $300,000 more to do this exchange. So that's actually really big, just like how Binance Coin has Binance. Like Binance made Binance Coin, and now they're making millions of dollars of revenue, actually billions of revenue with Binance Coin. They're making a lot of money with Binance Coin. But as we can see here though, this is $300 million away. So whatever those transaction fees are, that's what's going into the that 1 million that they need. And they're probably almost there, to be honest, with all the growth that we've been having. So people definitely take their money out, and that transaction fee will definitely go to them. But this is definitely a really big crypto to look at right now. But let's continue to read here with this article, what to know about Safemoon right now. So what else should you know as Safemoon prices rise? Right now, it appears that there is a lot of investors to take a wait and see approach with Safemoon. I would definitely say wait a while, since Safemoon started at March 8th. Like, that was really soon, and I don't think we should all be throwing our money into something that has been up 5,400% since it came out. That is a lot of growth within 30 days, 5,400%. And just like how we seen with Dogecoin went up 500% in a week, but we had to go back down because that's too much growth for 1 week. So as you know, people will take their money out and then it'll go down, the market cap goes down, and then people lose profits and some people gain profits. But yeah, right now we really don't know much about Safemoon. All we know is that they're bringing it to the moon, and that they're gonna make their own exchange once they get $300,000 more, which is a very low amount considering how much money is flowing through Safemoon right now. So I would definitely say we're gonna be going big on Safemoon with the gains. But over here they have their official website, safemoon.net, and it is a .net site. But yeah, they say there are 100% community driven and fair launch. So that is pretty good that they're community driven, just like Dogecoin. Dogecoin is like just the same thing. They are all driven by the community. But as you can see with community driven cryptos, you can see that they can go down just as fast as they go up. So we went far down a lot with Dogecoin. I had $11,000 in Dogecoin. Now it's at 8,000. But you can see the same kind of gains here inside of Safemoon. Safemoon jumps huge, but then it drops just as huge. So I would definitely be careful and not put all your money in it. But again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But we will be coming with more Safemoon content, and I definitely will be putting some money in it. I just have to get my money out of Dogecoin now. And for all of the Dogecoin holders out there, just hold until we go positive. Elon Musk will tweet something soon, and we definitely will see gains with Doge. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And definitely check the description for free stock if you sign up with Robinhood, Public, or Webull, and you can now get Dogecoin on Webull. But yeah, like this video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back with another video.